country's economies become better, the population of the country grows up quickly. And let me show a graph and explain this condition.
In the early stage of a country, the economy is bad. A country's population was increasing by about 50% every 6 months. After 3 years, the economy became better. There were approximately 1,600 populations in a country. One way of finding the desired exponential function is to reason as follows. At time t equals 0, the number of population was 1,600. So A is 1,600. Every 6 months, the number of population increased to 50% of the number six months earlier. That is to 1.5 times that number. Each year is therefore increased to 1.5 to the power of 2 equals to 2.25 times the number 1 year earlier. Hence, after t years, we need to multiply the original 1,600 by 2.25 to the power of t. So the model is y equals to 1,600 times 2.25 to the power of t populations.
We go on the next step. Where people is and where money is. Because of this, the market number increased very fast. Therefore, supply and demand occurred in the social market. Speak of this, we should mention a major concept, which is used in the calculation and economics. Right, that's what you think. Do not stop. For example, a company which sells drink. Mr. Lee is a boss, which is manage this corporation. Look at how it operates. It just follows a curve. The graph draw on it, isn't it?
To model the supplies, we use the first and third rows of the table. And we are again give 2 points. First is 0.5 and 300, and second is 0.75 and 500. And the slope is 500 minus 300 and divided 0.75 minus 0.5 and equals to 800. And so the supply equation is Q equals M times P plus B and equals 800P plus this and equals 800P minus 100.
For the reason that economy is better, more and more people want to have their own company. But not all people have enough money, so they borrow money from bank. If you want to get a loan, you should pay a price. You know that everything has conditions. The world has not eaten without paying lunch. How much price should you pay? Let us count for you. And there is a professional formula is special for that.
Mr. Lee wanted to open a drink store, but he didn't have enough money, so he borrowed some money from bank. And this is compound interest formula. He wanted to borrow 2.2 and half a year, and he borrowed $2,000, and the year interest is 12.6, but the interest is 1 to divide 12, and the 期数 is 12 times 2.5. And we calculate this formula, we can get the formula is 2,000 times 0.0105 powers of 30, and we get this. This is the compound interest you need to owe the bank.
Okay, when we see that formula, and you know that whatever whatever everything going to happen, we should realize one rule, that is 80-20法则. What is that? Don't worry about that. We will transfer to you.
This is the graph of 80-20 rules, and the rules is that 20% of people own 80% of property, and 80% of people own 20% of property.
We see that rule, so I think Mr. Lee should know that rule is realized. Not every boss could be success and earn a lot of money in their life. If it may have some tips, but what's the tips? That should search from your life experience and yourself. Thank you.